Hello, Assalamualaikum. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Muhammad Raja Rivaldo. I'm a university student in UIN Jakarta, also known as State Islamic University of Jakarta. In here, I will be telling about the book that I have read before. The book title is Developing Skill. The author is L.J. Alexander. Publisher is Longman. That published in 1967. The genre of this book is workbook. The number of page 145. Okay. I will show to you about the book cover, Developing Skill, because I read from the PDF from internet. This book has 3 units. There are 3 units, and Unit 1 tell about the vocabulary introduction. Unit 1. In vocabulary introduction, how the large vocabulary and interpretation of the text are related to the possible response to the simple vocabulary. And the Unit 2 and Unit 3, I'm sorry because I'm using PDF. Unit 2 discuss and talk about how students and readers can create a sentence in the separate extended exercise, and in one paragraph students should respond, since it concerns how to construct a sentence, And the last unit is Unit 3. In this unit, no language exercise have been included, but the student should be able to continue about the English prose in this book, entirely on their own way. Okay. Next, the books organized firstly from the guidance for teacher. The author gives the instruction especially for teachers that the students should have intensive practice in their 4 skill. There are the skill, they are understanding, speaking, reading, and writing, because the listening not mentioned in this course. So after the introducing for the teacher, the author also introduced about discourse of this exercise, like what is the basic aim from the author to the student. Basic aim to author to the student that to provide a comprehensive course for adult or secondary student who have completed a completed a pre-intermediate course. I mean, to continue the student training in the 4 skill, that understanding, speaking, reading, and writing, like I said before. And the author also tells that for whom the course is intended, that for adult or secondary student who have completed practice and progress and integrated course for pre-intermediate or So this book can for student and teacher. The student is the student in intermediate course. Yeah, the book best for the student, especially intermediate, and also the teachers. Why teachers? Because in this book, the exercise can make the teachers become easier in teaching English to his student, to his course. Because in this book, so many exercise that make the teacher easier when teaching English in the class, in the course, and etc. And for the student, they will be easy to understand about the exercise, even though they learn in their self, because the exercise is easy to understand, because the exercise so many type in this book and so various. It arranged from the easiest one until the intermediate one. So the next until about the exercise to construct a sentence in paragraphs that should make the student will elaborate their idea with their own way and increase their vocabulary. So in the last until about the fulfill practice from unit 1 until unit 3, so integrate it and make the student to understand what the book mean. The disadvantage from the book has no color inside, maybe can make the student will boring in learning English, because no color maybe can the students boring and not enjoy about the lesson, I think. And the book using the old paper, and it can easy to broke if we can save the book well. I choose in the point, I choose 4 in this book, which mean the description for each part is easy to understand. Main concept, structure, introduction, and guidance for pre-intermediate student. And the student and pre-intermediate student and teacher can easy to using this book, developing skill. There are many exercise, and the exercise can help the teacher to be easier when teaching English, because unit 1 until unit 3, so integrate. And this book also simple, with if we learn individually, the book can help us to understand about the integrated knowledge. From this book we can see the easier concept. So I think enough from me. Thank you so much for your attention. Sorry if there are many mistakes from me. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for your attention.